Here's a video on how to change the gear knob and gator on a Mk4 Golf. The only thing you need is a flathead screwdriver. Right, so first we've got to unclip the gator. So that's nice and easy. Just a little clip there. Same the other side. Lift it up. And then you expose this clip here. Just a flathead screwdriver to loosen that off. Pull that down out the way when you can. Now you can pull that off. Right, and now it's just separating the gear knob itself from the gator. So you have this here. All you need to do is stick a flathead screwdriver under there. They're a bit tight, but give it a wriggle and it'll come off. And there we are. Gear knob, gator.